Use this crystal to attract more abundance in 2023. Hello friends, this is a citrine crystal. For those of you who are not familiar with a citrine crystal, this is known as a yellow amethyst or an orange amethyst. It is in the amethyst family, and I love the citrine. I love to wear it around my neck. I'm not wearing it right now, but I do have a citrine, and citrines are wonderful crystals. They have so much love. Like right now, as I'm holding it right now, I'm just like, I'm feeling so much love and abundance. I like to call these the hook to happiness, the hook for joy, that it hooks onto anything around it that is positive people, positive events, jokes, things that elevate your consciousness to high vibrations of joy. And so if you don't have a citrine, or if you do have a citrine, hold it tightly during your manifestation when you're making your vision boards this month for 2023 to attract happiness and abundance. It also is great for imagination too. So for your creatives out there, for you writers out there, for you storytellers, actors, singers, citrines are great to have around because they are just going to invoke more imagination, more creativity, and more prosperity to you. So yeah, you can tell by the smile on my face, I love the citrine. Wishing you all wealth, happiness, and prosperity this year. Use your citrine. And I will say this, citrine responsibly, but it is okay to citrine and drive. All right, we are building a community of light, and like this video, share it with somebody who you think can use a joy boost. And I'm sending love and light from my heart to yours. May it hook on to your citrine crystal, and from your citrine crystal back to you. Thank you.